Hey guys, hope you're having a great Wednesday. Just wanted to give you a bonus video here for your Wednesday assignment. So your Wednesday assignment has not changed. However, I just wanted to give you a reminder about that weekly book tracker that you have. So if you take a look here, I'm in the stream, okay? And I'm going to classwork. And right here, remember, is that weekly reading tracker, okay? So I'm just reviewing this because this is part of your grade for your weekly reading response. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it. Here it is. Okay, I know this is weird, but you do not have to turn it in. If you turn it in, it's okay. This is just like a live document that's just going to be living with us all school year. Here's the directions again. Remember, you only need one entry per week, okay? So you can be estimating, that's fine. So if I come here, what I would do is put today's date, title of my book, author's last name, weekly start page, and how many minutes. Even if it's just an hour, you can just put an hour. Remember, our week ends up running Wednesday to Wednesday because that's when you're doing these assignments. So you would think about last week to this week. I would use this week's date though because it's today. So here you would type 10/28. Okay, and that's how I'm going to know that you're getting credit for this week. So just make sure it's today's date and then you're good. All right, don't forget because this is giving you 10 points on your reading response. So let's take a look. Not really going to spend much time down here, guys, because it's the same thing, just different questions. So make sure you complete it by tonight at midnight for the full points for turning it in on time. So I just wanted to prove to you again. Here it is. All right, this looks the same. Again, reminding you to update your book tracker. It's due Wednesday. And then it's the same format it's been, just the questions have changed. So if you're reading a fiction book, which is fake, here's your two choices there. Nonfiction, here's your two choices here. Please make sure you're following this. I want to give you all of the points. So the response, make sure you're putting in there which choice you're using. You can put the question back into your answer. Give me the title of your book, and I just need 4 complete sentences, okay? You can use text-to-speech to help you to check your work. Make sure you click on the spell check so that you don't lose points for the grammar stuff. And then again, it's just reminding you all over the place to go back into that reading tracker. I do want to show you again, and don't forget, again, it's the same rubric as we were using before, but just proof to show you that the reading tracker is the first thing. So I am looking at that first and then giving you points for that. Remember, I want to give you credit for reading your 1 to 2 hours per week. That's why this thing ends up bumping up to 100 points. Here's points for your reading response, grammar, mechanics, and turning it on time. It's 50 points, but then I double it, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Again, same thing, just wanted to remind you about that book tracker because I know some of you have not been clicking into that. But remember, it's living here so that it can stay live all year. If I repost it somewhere else, it deletes everything you've done. So it's great for you to be proud of everything you've read for, throughout the year. All right, guys, have a great day. Email me with any questions. Anytime you post in Google Classroom, you guys know I get an email and I get right back to you. So thanks for those of you that were asking questions already. See ya.